Welcome to Simple Software Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transpose numbers in Excel. So back in the day, not too long ago, it was actually a lot more difficult than it is now to transpose numbers. You had to use a function with an array, and it was confusing even for people who knew how to use Excel quite well. Now they've made a simple paste function that's super easy to use. So to do this, I've got these three columns here. So if I want them to go across in a row instead of down in a column, what I can do is select the data that I want. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to select where I want this to start. So if I want this to start in E1, I'm going to click there. And then I'm going to click on this arrow under paste, and then find this one with the little arrow here. And you can see a preview that it's working. So I'm going to click on that button, and there it is. So what it does is it takes this first column and puts it in the top row, just to kind of keep everything the same way. Now it also works the other way, so if you get working on this and realize, oh, this isn't how I want it, you can grab those rows there, you can copy them, and then select again where you want it to start, and then paste, transpose, and it shifts that information right there. So pretty simple and easy to do now with more modern versions of Excel. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for other helpful tutorials. Check out my website at simplesoftwaretutorials.com, and have a great day. Thanks so much for tuning in.